THAULLE means bank of the lake. We face the Yoda Lake, situated in down south Sri Lanka. We are very close to nature. Really green, blue area. Ayurveda is not only medicine system. One side it's like a philosophy. In Sanskrit, healthy people means Samadosa Samagnischa Samadhatu Malakriya Prasannatmendriya Mana Sasta Ityabhidiyate. That means we not only think about your body condition. We think how we can achieving spiritual well-being. Those are the differences with Western medicine and Ayurveda. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Upul Rajapakshe. I am the Ayurveda doctor in THAULLE Resort. My father, my grandfather, me, my brother and my wife, all of us are Ayurveda doctors, Sri Lankan traditional Ayurveda family. Then in THAULLE, especially we are doing very authentic Ayurveda systems. That means it's a very personalized service. Pre-treatments, main treatments, post-treatments. Pre-treatments mean we try to prepare your body for Panchakarma treatment. Easy way you can understand detoxification, purification treatments. We will try to melt for your body toxic, divide the small pieces. Now we can do the main treatment. Within main treatments, we can take out all the toxic. We can clean your body. We not only doing Ayurveda massages or Ayurveda treatments. We specially try to touch for your deep root of the case. Within our first consultation, first I will ask with you the general informations. We can do pulse diagnosing, eye, tongue, skin diagnosing. After that, we can understand what are the diseases you are suffering with, what kind of doshas are changing in your body. Dosha means then Vata, Pitta, Kapha. Now I know after the consultation what kind of food offer for you. Within our Ayurveda treatments, food is very important. Then directly I inform the kitchen, especially chef, then how we can arrange food plan for that guest. If you can change your lifestyle and food plan, you can enjoy very good healthy life, healthy long life. In general in THAULLE, we are using specially organic foods. Some foods we buy from then outside organic farms. In this area then our little farmers are there. They're not using any chemicals. More foods we can collect from our garden, always fresh vegetable and fresh fruit. And Ayurveda medicine also we are growing in our house. Yes, we have a very good opportunity. Like this tropical area, very easily we cultivate the medicinal plant. Then we use those medicine for our treatments. In generally, always we are attention for their personal situation, personal medical background. That is the difference other hotels and our hotel. In generally, we use fresh medicine, that means then our preparations medicine with prepared medicine from the companies, all those are certified. It is very, very important for this field, because then we use herbal medicine, then you can trust us, we are using good medicine. In our house, we can do all the clearance part. We can do detoxification, purification, but very important thing, how to change your lifestyle according to Ayurveda principle. It is very important. I can give some written paper. It is including some special information. You can follow those things. Maybe you can't follow 100%, but if you can do that one, 90%, 95%, minimum 85%, you can feel those changes. You can balance your blood pressure, you can balance your cholesterol, you can balance your blood sugar. Very easily you can do that. That means you can enjoy good healthy life. You can participate within our cooking class. We are explaining how to prepare all kind of foods according to Ayurveda principle. I can explain which kind of spicy good for which kind of doshas. We not attention only for your body condition. Especially we thinking how we can relax your mind. To do that one, yoga is the very, very important thing. It is not only exercise system. It is good for our movements. It is very good for our digestive system. Some special asanas very helpful for cure some diseases. Yoga and Ayurveda. It is a two sides with one coin. We are doing yoga not only for here. We can do yoga then in the beach also. We are changing time to time the place because it is very supportful for relax your mind. You know, if you change your mind, if you got nervous, suddenly then adrenaline hormone can be releasing. That means our mind can be changed, our body condition. We can discuss with yoga teacher or monk how to do, what to do. Then we can arrange personal lesson for you. Meditation is not only for religion. We can do general meditations. Then some breathing exercise. It is depend on your condition. Every day we are starting freshly. It's like a flower. If you can blooming your mind every day freshly, it is very helpful for your mind and body. To do that one, join with us with Ayurveda.